SiriusXM provides what's called satellite radio throughout the 48 contiguous United States and Canada.
We've been working on Sirius for a generation now, almost a generation, and we worked on it from a dream of two guys to what it's become today as a huge 19 million subscriber media powerhouse.
Sirius FM5 was started in May 2006 as a supplementation to the existing Sirius constellation. Sirius FM5 in the geostationary orbit will provide three main components to their constellation. It provides sparing just in case there's an on-orbit problem. It provides increased availability to the user. It also increases the current life of the satellites on orbit.
Sirius FM5 is a high-power 20-kilowatt satellite.
At 8,000 watts output power for Sirius Flight Model 5, it will be the highest power digital audio radio satellite system on orbit. The Sirius Flight Model 5 9-meter reflector is manufactured by Harris Corporation out of Melbourne, Florida. It's a 6-rib radial design. It has skewers and attachment ribs on the back of it that hold it in place. Sirius Flight Model 5, when it's on orbit, will be injected into a 96-degree west position, orbital slot. And in that position, it will be able to provide coverage to the continental U.S. as well as the bulk of Canada.
The spacecraft has a star tracker for attitude control, the first on a Space Systems Loral 1300 bus. It also makes use of the Xenon ion electric propulsion subsystem and lithium-ion batteries to help provide the lightweight and long life required to meet the customer needs.
So once the program started in May of 2006, we formed a teamwork with the customer that has been very beneficial to both companies. SiriusXM Radio has had local representation since the beginning of the program. Those representatives work closely with the program office, our system engineers, our functional teams.
They signed a wonderful program director, and Joe Faust has really done a fantastic job. He has a great team under him.
I am proud of the SSL team that supported the Sirius FM5 program. With the successful launch of Sirius FM5, we should all be proud of that accomplishment.
At SSL, we're the worldwide leader in commercial satellites. And we are very grateful for Sirius and XM Radio for their business and for pushing us to new levels of capability and success.
And less than 10 seconds now. T-minus 5 seconds. And we have liftoff of an ILS Proton rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan, carrying the Sirius FM5 communication satellite. At about 10 seconds after liftoff, the rocket did a roll maneuver and will soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or max-Q. Max-Q is the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. It corresponds to about Mach 1.5 and occurs about 63 seconds after liftoff.